Opening objects are objects that create openings in floors, ceilings, and roofs. Earlier on, when we were first designing our floors, we put an opening object in this space here so that we'd have a location to eventually put our staircase into. Now that our staircase is here, we need to make an adjustment to this opening object so that the hole doesn't show up right here. In fact, we want the edge of our floor to be right up here, right at the edge of the staircase, so you can make the smooth transition from the landing, down the staircase, down to the lower level. To do that, we need to highlight on the edge of the opening. When you click on it, it'll all turn blue. Then come up to Edit Sketch. When you do this, you'll get these pink, purple, magenta lines going all the way around the area where that opening is located at. Now this opening goes from the first floor all the way up through level 3. So we have a nice big staircase area. Now when we make this adjustment by clicking on this line and pulling it on up right to the edge of the staircase, and then let go. When we made that adjustment, it's not only made a hole here, or an opening here on level 2, but because this opening object goes up through level 3, we have now created an opening that also goes up through our 3rd floor level up above. Now that this is the shape that we want it to be, click on the big green check mark. We can see that the floor is now added material, and it's coming all the way over right to the edge of where this opening object is at. If you click out in space, we can see that the blue goes away. Now we're still going to need to add some railing here so people don't fall off the edge and go right into the hole. And if you need to modify an opening object, it's just a matter of selecting on the object, coming up to Edit Sketch, and then editing where the perimeter of that opening should be. And then from there on out, click the big green check mark, and then every floor that opening goes through will now have a hole for your staircase to rise up through.